Hey everybody, how are you doing? Hope you're doing well. So do me a favor before we get started. I need for you to hit this like button. If you're not a subscriber, I need for you to do me a favor and hit the subscribe button and notification bell next to it so that you won't miss an episode. Also, there is a link at the bottom, the pinned link. I need for you to click on it, scroll all the way to the bottom, sign the word. You'll see the word petition. Click on it, sign it, and also feel free to donate. There is an event coming up and it is a special cause. All right, so check that out. So today we're going to talk about Ozempic and the stock market. So I'm a doctorate of pharmacy. I have a doctorate in pharmacy, and I also have an interest in finance. So my interest in finance came a little bit later in life as opposed to other people you may see on the internet who are in their 20s. So I am interested in finance also, but every now and then something will cross my eyes that I find interesting. Um, so Ozempic. So Ozempic, there's a big weight loss craze, and Ozempic is it. There are like millions of people that are on this weight loss drug, Ozempic, right? So they do have side effects that people are already aware of, such as stomach paralysis, pancreatitis. These are rare, but they're well-known side effects, right? So, in addition to those side effects, they just found some more side effects associated with Ozempic, and I just thought it was interesting. So now they are seeing hair loss, alopecia type hair loss, and also suicidal thoughts. So the common side effects associated with Ozempic are things like nausea and vomiting, like you may feel nauseous. So they may give you something to take with that to avoid the nausea. Also, diarrhea or constipation. So those are the more common side effects. But I just thought it was interesting that they are noticing more side effects later on after the drug is already out and after millions of people are already on it. Again, hair loss, alopecia type hair loss, and suicidal thoughts. So, Ozempic was originally created to treat diabetes, and there are like millions of people taking it for weight loss. So, how does it help you lose weight? It sends a signal to your brain, the appetite centers of your brain, to tell you that you are not hungry anymore. So, the satiation, it hits the centers and the appetite centers in your brain to let you know that you're full, right? So, weight loss drug, Ozempic, generic semaglutide, a GLP-1 receptor agonist. So, how do we correlate this big weight loss craze and the stock market? So, Novo Nordisk is the creator of this particular weight loss drug. And I just think it's interesting because if you go to YouTube and you just type in the word Ozempic, there are people on there showing you how to use it, like how to inject it into your stomach. And you look at the views, and the views are like into the millions. Like people just getting onto YouTube to figure out how to use it. And the views are like in the millions. So it's real interesting. So the maker is Novo Nordisk. And so we go to our little chart here, right? And just looking at the trend for a year. So they started at the bottom and now they're here. So it's trending upwards, trending. So what is this? This means that if you're in the stock market, you're making money, essentially. So over the past year, it has increased by 53.16%. So that's what this stock is doing in particular over a 1 year period. This was the past year. Starting here, ending here. That's Novo Nordisk. So I just think it's an interesting correlation because pharmaceuticals are in there as far as the stock market goes. There's a lot of other different things in the stock market, but pharmaceuticals is one portion. So you got these millions of people on this weight loss drug, and over here, you have the opportunity to um, get profit by simply being in the stock market and choosing which area of the stock market you are going to get into. So as far as Ozempic goes, you may be aware that they have a lot of fake Ozempics out here. So some people are buying them online, and what they're getting online is fake. It's not even real. So getting something fake online and injecting it into your stomach. So that is going on. So if you are taking that or you know someone who's taking that, be very careful to make sure that you're even getting the real thing here. It's a lot going on out here. We got fake drugs out here. We got people buying it online, and now they got these new side effects that they discovered. So just be careful out here. I know that you're smart, like the people watching me are very smart, but I just think it's interesting what's going on. You got to be wise out here. There's a lot going on, right? So the correlation I think is interesting. You got your weight loss, you got your stock market. So you have the opportunity to create wealth, or if you choose not to create wealth, then you have the opportunity not to create wealth. All right. So that is what is going on with this weight loss craze that you're probably already familiar with. They found 2 new side effects, and it's still doing well as far as the stock market goes. And then making sure that you got the real thing. Very important, right? People are doing all kind of things out here. Just sell you something fake because they know that there are a lot of people out here that are ready to buy, right? So just be careful, be wise, and do me a favor before we leave. I need you to hit this like button. If you are not a subscriber, I need for you to hit the subscribe button. Also, don't forget, check out this pinned link. The link is pinned. Scroll all the way to the bottom. You'll see the word petitions. Click on it, sign it, and feel free to donate to the cause, right? So if you donate, it doesn't go to me. It goes to this cause. There's this big secret crime out here that the public is not aware of. You're aware of it either because you are an innocent victim, or you are someone who chose to be a participant of it because they are paying people to do it. So your morals are not all the way there. There's some evilness in you because you're willing to do evil, right? So I would like to bring awareness to the public of what is going on. And all you have to do is check out this pinned link. Click on it And you won't have the full picture, but at least you'll have a small picture of what's going on behind the scenes. All right. So check that out. Also, before you leave, hit that like button. Thank you for watching. Have a good rest of your day.